Hey guys, it's Fancy here. So today I'm doing a New Year's set. Generally I don't really like doing New Year's sets, I just feel like they're kind of overdone. But this year, I don't know, I decided I wanted to do some. So I'm starting out on this nail with a clear acrylic, and then I'm moving on to white on the next nail, clear again on that one, and then glitter on the pinky nail. I was going to use black acrylic on the pointer and the ring fingernails, but I decided just to use gel because I was feeling particularly lazy. I'm not quite feeling too well, so I just took the easy route. But yeah, so I'm going to be doing all of the colors and pinching the nails, and then I will see you guys again after I file. Also, my husband got me a new microphone for Christmas, so hopefully I'm not as quiet anymore. It might sound a little bit funky for the next couple videos. I'm trying to figure out exactly how to use it and all the settings and whatnot. But hopefully at least I'm louder, and that's the main goal. So this glitter mix that I'm using is one I mixed myself. I mix all of mine myself. I get that question a lot. But this one is just a holographic gold chunky glitter, a black chunky glitter, and a little bit of a silver chunky glitter. I thought it looked kind of New Year's like. So that's what I'm using on this finger. So now everything is filed and buffed, and I'm moving on to the black gel, and I'm putting this again on the pointer finger and the ring fingernails, the ones that I put the clear on. And then I'll be doing 2 coats of that and then top coating all of the nails. So now I'm doing a gold chrome powder on one of the black nails and the white one. The reason why I'm doing it on the white as well is because I wanted kind of more of like a champagne gold. I don't know, I wanted 2 different golds just to add a little bit more variation. You'll see here, I'll compare the 2 later so you can really see the difference. This one definitely is more of a champagne, the other is more of a true gold. So now I'm just using a black gel and I'm making a clock, kind of a diagonally laid clock, I don't know. And that's really the only nail art I'm going to be doing. On the pointer finger I am going to be doing some gems, but that's just about it. Alright guys, so that's it for this set. If you like them, please let me know down below. Give this video a like, maybe subscribe, it really helps me out. And I'll see you guys next time.